Hello, let's add a LED light in the Kingston DataTraveler G4 pendrive. We start opening the pendrive case using tweezers. As the case has some tabs at the side, we may break down them in the process. Look for the two pins to connect the LED diode. In my pen drive they are at the bottom front side of the card. Now making a test with a LED so we can be sure we will solder in the right place. We must remember the poles for the positive and the negative in the circuit, also called anode and cathode in the LED diodes. The LED must blink while using data. We get some thin wires, must be very thin and short cables. We can take them from a useless mouse or a useless monitor cable. Strip off the cables and solder to the pins. This is the most difficult work. Checking for not making a short circuit, otherwise we'll make a long circus. Stick the LED diode sideways, otherwise it's not going to fit even the smallest LED. Now we must solder the cables to the LED, watching the right positions of the anode and the cathode poles. Once more we test if we are not going to make a short little circus. Now testing the plate with the installed LED. Perfect. Now we try to make it fit into the pendrive case. As the LED diode is installed sideways, I prefer making 2 holes in the case, using the soldering iron. Took off the side internal tab and make the points for the LED light. That's it, we have a boss activity indicator light in the pendrive, so now we just seal the holes and stick the case with silicone glue. This LED light is very useful when working with devices that show no information about the processes they are doing, for example TV recorders that work on standby or cameras working without indicator lights. Remember, not all pendrives are able to work this way, some of them won't work properly after installing a LED light. Like and subscribe, so long.